Oh my god!
After surviving the freezing night in Germany and catching our flight on the right day, we flew to Santorini, our first flight since 4 weeks ago when we quit our jobs in Chicago and flew to Europe on our 1-year honeymoon around the world.
Ready for adventure.
We had 8 nights booked on the island, and the plan was to grab a scooter and explore. At the very north tip of the island is the city of Via. Up there we have Ferry, and then the island comes looping around. Oh, there's a volcano right there, and we're gonna hike that and go swimming in some hot springs. As we start facing south, that's where the lighthouse is, and then as we continue looking down here, the beach town of Perissa that we're staying is down here. You can't see our place, we're probably down in there.
This is shoulder season here at Perissa Beach. It's busy. You can get good deals on food and beers right now, and really good deals on seats and umbrellas. Did you find an open place to swim? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hi. Expert hiker here. Just trying to understand where we might go today. What do you want to see?
It's stinky.
All right, let's do it. We're gonna go traverse some terrain.
Right. There's where we're staying in Perissa, and we're gonna go up this mountain. Wow, that was a beautiful hike.
Sure was amazing.
We started right there. True difficulty is not smashing the camera into a rock and avoiding donkey poop. Hashtag first world problem.
Well,
Wait a minute.
it's prettier because we walked up here.
Wait, you can drive up here. What? Help me.
So we woke up early this morning, and then we climbed this mountain in the beating sun. It's closed on Monday. You cannot see a wonder of the world on Mondays. So back down the mountain we go.
Back down the mountain we go. Welcome to Santorini. We're still not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it, but we're really excited to be here. And you know who else is excited to be here? The 4 brides that we've seen so far.
In 5 minutes. More to come.
5 minutes. We just walked in. It's gotta be tough. It's hard enough in front of the camera, much less all these tourists.
Yeah. And everybody's here. We're like, we don't know you.
We don't know you. We'll remember this forever.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, this is a story at the Red Bull free running Art of Motion competition. It looks like we're pretty far away, but we actually have fantastic seats and we can see really well. And we're even able to tell who's better than anyone. Look at where we're sitting right now.
When you want to get off the beaten path, this is a good sign.
We were out in search of a not-so-secret cliff jumping spot. All we knew was go down a path and swim out to an island. Easy enough. The problem was carrying the drone, so we wrapped it in garbage bags and Tim swam with it on his head. Oh, so worth it. In fact, we had a lot of fun playing with and practicing flying the drone in Santorini. Our footage definitely improves day by day as the trip goes on. I still edit out a lot of crap though. Like this. What is this? Tim, get me running towards the edge for my Instagram. This is such a weird shot. Ah, this is what I meant. Hashtag follow us on Instagram. Hashtag subscribe. Hashtag, oh my god, shut up.
Allison's so excited to go swimming in the hot springs
Why?
because she needs to pee in the water really bad.
No.
Yeah, she does.
No, because it's hot.
But mostly the first thing I said. And a forehead kiss. All the tourists going over to the dirty water. What'd you see?
A dog.
And?
Play.
You saw goats?
Goats on a cliff.
Garbage?
Garbage.
Garbage house?
All those things are fine. I felt cold the whole time. I wouldn't recommend to a friend.
Welcome to the volcano.
It's a National Geological Park of Ni Kameni. It's an unparalleled testament
to be a site of major scientific interest and protected national monument. Culture in the rest of Santorini Island. It's still a site
of exceptional natural beauty.
Let's go see some beauty. We tend to walk up a lot of things.
All the good stuff is always at the top. There's never anything interesting to see right by where you are.
There's probably one best thing I've brought on the trip. It's probably this. Your boots are made for walking, baby.
This is only the first part of the wonder. There's more wonders to see.
What happens at 8?
What is that?
Near the peak of the Mikri Kameni Dome, the oldest part of Nia Kameni, which was created in 1570.
And then there was lava, and we continue to Site B.
16 dinosaurs lived here for 40 years.
Allison just explored a volcano, swam in hot springs. How are you going to get back to Thera today?
Tim wants to take some donkeys up the hill.
Yeah? Nice. Throw that leg over, baby. Yeah! You're doing great, Finn.
Oh, well, I'm trapped.
My donkey's sweet. He knows the way. I think they just know. He's gonna yell at them and they go.
Oh well, I'm done.
No, donkey, just...
Oh my gosh!
Good boy. Oh, wow. You are a powerhouse. Oh God. Oh. This is terrible. Okay, come on.
Well done, donkeys. No, oh boy. Oh my God. Oh, my knee is in your donkey's butt. Oh my gosh, it was an amazing 8 days in Santorini. But after a while, we felt something urging us to leave. We had to check out of the hotel in the morning, but our ferry to Athens didn't depart until 11 p.m. So I guess we did what anyone would do in that situation. We spent the day drinking on the beach with all of our luggage and then booked a wine tasting big enough for 6 people.
Allison, what are you doing?
Getting ready for dinner on the beach
Why?
because we're homeless. You know, all we need is that little chain shack.
How long have you been out here?
6 years.
I look around and since it's the, what did we get, the
18 glasses of
the 18 glasses, what I see is 18 full glasses. We'll see where we're at in an hour. Wow, what a clean finish.
Tim, there's people on there already. Come on.
Little known fact on Greek ferries. Once you board the ship, then you go to the information desk in the middle of the ship to get your handy-dandy room key. Then you meet a nice little bellhop to guide you to your room, who doesn't carry your bags, but he leads you there and then opens your room. And then you and your husband have 2 nice twin beds to share for the evening. I think we do have our own bathroom, unless someone else is in here. I think it's like 10 p.m. and we arrive at 7 a.m. Oh my God. Cruising in the Aegean or the Mediterranean. Got ready on a beach today. Drank a lot of wine today.
Okay.
Now I'm on a boat.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
I'm on a boat.
Okay.
Now I'm on a boat. Now.
Bye, everybody. Bye. How's Athens been so far?
We've been here for a few days and we've yet to come up here because we have a really cozy couch and a really awesome throw blanket.
We have done a ton of booking for Dubai, for Chocolate Mountain Island in the Philippines. We're going to Cebu.
And we're going to Cyprus tomorrow. It ended up raining yesterday, which we were kind of stoked about because that made us not feel guilty about sitting inside.
Definitely going to rain today.
Oh, by the way, we're also going to see the Acropolis. Tim is literally in the most crowded area of the entire Acropolis. I literally can't even get to it right now. And then someone got yelled at next to me, and all these missiles were blowing as we crossed the line. It's all very intense.
Oh, awesome. I got the lightning on shot. You're going to get covered in so much water in a minute. So now we take bets. Are you going to get bets? I'm wrapping it up. It's wrapped in my shirt. Just go slow. Are you okay?
I feel like I'm so inappropriate.
Your mascara looks like you're a 15-year-old girl at like high school dance and your boyfriend broke up with you. All right, let's do it. You know why it's raining. You angered Zeus.
I hope so.
You didn't think all those ruins were that interesting. Are we going to the parking lot?
I don't know where to go.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Zeus. I mean, we expected rain, but hail is a nice surprise.